Okay, wait. I was discussing about Umobu with my aunt when she recalled a dream she had had just a few days earlier. She was in their father's house, their compound there, and a man, people can come with people's faces, but this particular person, this spirit, and really a good face. So this entity came into the house, was fed, she come bring water, give and make him drink. She now will be one other. This entity can't refuse, can't say go for the simile we did that compound for the well. She now come be like that kind of thing, no, they say that one no go happen. Now him the man come the protest, the spirit come the protest, say he go do it in one do. She can't stand her ground. As she stand her ground, a ton of women come back her, come they push against the man going to that isimili, to that water where they that compound. So basically, with the help of those bunch of women, they suppressed that entity will come with a bad face. How can Christianity solve your spiritual problems when it alienates you from your sisters, from your umuada? We all know the power umuada have in our very, very, very illustrious Igbo society. Our society is unlike any other. You know what I'm saying? We all know the power umuada have in our very illustrious Igbo society. So it alienates you from your umuada. It alienates you from the ummo behind umuada, because ummo essence. Without essence, or just carton. If anyone will essence, carton. More essence. So replace is here with if anyone will essence, CWO. Replace here if anyone more with a shallow carton organization. Relegate your umuada. Distinguished matriarchs and sisters. Relegate here to a bunch of chapel cleaning and father's house wiping hags, distinguished spirits. I don't know to any feature on our father. Feature a ben nagi. I'm going to film myself. If feature good ben nagi oblo in a koyale order. Go stream water. Thanks for the support. Appreciate the love. I don't see the love. Thank you. Madiba correct, my G. Sent me jerseys. Thank you, man. Appreciate, man. Greatly appreciate. Thank you for the love. Appreciate, man. Madiba correct, guys. Shop your sports outfits, boots, everything from Madiba correct. You know what I'm saying?
Give my word and go and break it. I got your for chips in my no kumu.